The Inmotion V13 Challenger is a true powerhouse with its 10,000-watt max motor, enabling thrilling speeds of up to 90 km per hour. Its sleek design not only exudes style but also offers impressive functionality, conquering hills with gradients of up to 45 degrees, thanks to its 22-inch wheel. What sets the V13 apart is its intelligent smart BMS, meticulously managing battery usage for maximum longevity. Two fans keep the electronic board cool, ensuring consistent and dependable performance. Comfort reigns supreme with adjustable high-quality pedals, powerful braking, and hydraulic suspensions. The interactive LCD screen empowers riders to customize settings and stay informed about speed and battery status in real time. The Inmotion V13 Challenger is a technological masterpiece, dominating the electric unicycle world with its 10,000-watt motor generating 300 Nm torque. Smart BMS optimizes battery life, while dual charging ports offer rapid 3-hour charging for a 140 km range. IPX7 technology for the battery and IPX5 for the wheel ensures year-round use in any weather. Inmotion's V13 Challenger is a trailblazer, setting new standards for power, speed, and reliability in the world of U-wheels.